Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 4.5 magnitude felt in Hawke's Bay, New Zealand. Depth of this earthquake is 30.1 km and this earthquake felt on Friday, March 25, 2022. Local time is 10:55 p.m. Nearby towns and cities: 17 km north and east of Thwai, 35 km north of Verua. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: light rain, 12.5 degrees centigrade, 54 Fahrenheit, humidity is 98% and wind is 4 meters per second from southwest. Primary data source is GeoNet New Zealand. Estimated release energy from this quake is 98.6 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 84.8 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about earthquake. Thanks for watching.